Hello, this is for Enhancement 7. So most of Enhancement 7 is finished. I was realizing as I realized as I was making the video to turn in that there's actually something that is not working with this, but I'm going to finish the video anyway and then probably create another video demonstrating that it's been fixed once I fix it. But for the moment, I'm going to demonstrate what I do have that is completed, and I would not have been able to complete this without the help of some awesome group members, so I am incredibly grateful. To start off, I'm going to hit my account. I'll log in as a level 1 user. So I'm a level 1 user. You can see here it gives me my first name, last name, my email. The user level is gone, and instead I have an update your information link. This link will take me to the page that allows me to change my name, email, and password. I'll do that here in just a second. You'll notice that it's missing an administrative section here with another link that allows you to alter products within the database. So any user level that's going to be greater than a level 1 will be able to access that. So I'm going to log out, and then I am going to log in as a level 3. Perfect, so I'm logged in as a level 3 user now. So I have my first name, last name, email, the link to update my information, and now there's a new section here for administrative clients. Administer products using the link below, so here you can change products in the database. Let's see, so I'm going to click on update your information. It brings us to this page here. That's the same page that is brought up for a user level that's less than 1, or that is a level 1. So this is what the page looks like. The name of the whole page is update your account. There are 2 forms here. So we have one for the name and email, the second one for the password. Name and email, it gives a little explanation about what can be changed here. Obviously your name and email. And then the last form here has another little explanation sentence, and it also gives a small piece of instruction for what the password pattern needs to be. You'll also notice that the first name, last name, and email, they're all pre-filled on here, which means that the database is pulling it or my PHP is pulling this information successfully from the database, and this is the same information that is for my current session. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change the first name on here. When I add an extra N and I hit updated account, it gives me this little error message that says the email address already exists. So I can't hit update account unless the email address is different. The email address needs to be different for this to work. So I'm going to change the first name, add an extra N, the last name, let's add an extra R. For the email, I'm going to get rid of one of those 6s. And I'm going to hit update account. So you can see here, it changes the first name, the last name, the email. And so it looks like everything is okay, but if I hit update your information, you can see that it doesn't change it on here, which means that the database didn't actually change it. So that's one of the things that I need to fix, and I will make another video once I have fixed it to completely finish this enhancement. So it's not changing the name and email in the database, which is a problem. The password one does work, so I'm going to do that next. I'm going to change the password. And I'm going to hit update password, and then it says thanks for updating your password right here. So that one did work. Obviously there's not a place on here that shows you what your password is, but if I hit log out and the my account link, I'm going to log in with the email address that I started with. So the one that I originally had before I tried to make changes, and then my new password. Excellent. There we go. So the new password works. The new password has been updated in the database. And this update your information page is looking good. So everything works on it. I'm going to demonstrate that it's HTML5 valid next. So I'm going to do, or look at the page source for this. I'm going to copy, come over here, use direct input and paste. And there are no errors. Perfect. So my update client page is HTML5 valid. And I believe that is everything for this video. Let me double check. Okay. Perfect. I think that's everything for the video. Thank you so much for watching.